Okay, so today is the day that we are going to feed Seymour. Seymour likes to eat flies. Ooh, yuck. We have a dead, hydrated fly that we got from the carnivore place. So, Mimi's going to pick up the fly. First, we're going to take this over to the table. Okay, don't anybody touch it, okay? Say hi to Seymour.
Hi, Seymour.
Hi, Seymour. You guys sit still, okay? Okay, now Mimi's going to go get the fly. Let's see. Isn't it gross?
Yeah.
I think it's gross to have flies for dinner. Okay, we're going to see if Seymour eats the fly. All right, we're going to put it right in this big trap here. Oh, let's see. Let's see if he closes on it. Is he going to eat it?
No.
Let's see.
No.
Oh, look, did you see him close? He closed. Yeah.
Not eating it? Where is it?
Closed on, see where we put the fly in? He closed his little trap. He's going to eat it now. See this one? Right here, Mimi put it in there, and he closed. Cool. Say enjoy, Seymour.
Enjoy, Seymour.